Okay, so we can start with the Java REPL. It's a read eval print loop for Java. So it will read whatever Java code we type, evaluate it immediately, and print it. We can declare variables, int a, that declares a variable called a. Sometimes it takes a little while. We can also assign values to those variables, a equals 10. And now we will print the value of a. It will print that is an integer, and it uses a slightly different name. Print that its name is a, and it will print that the value is 10. We can use it as a calculator, so we can do 3 plus 4, and it will print 7. It's an integer, and it doesn't really have a name for it, so it invents one. Press 1. We can use a plus or a times 2, and that will also give us a value 20 since a is 10. A times 2 is 20, and again it doesn't give it a name, or it invents a name for it. We can declare other variables, and we can declare and initialize at the same time. So we are doing int b equals 5. Now b is 5. We can also combine things, combine variables, a plus b, and we can change the value of a variable. This is very different from math. In math, once you make a 10, it will be 10. If b is 5, then it will be 5 forever. Here, it is a box where we can put stuff in. So we can do b equals a plus 1. So now b will be 11. 10 from a plus 1. And this relationship is not a relationship as it in math, because we can then do a equals 5. And now b is 11 and a equals 5. They are not the same, right? We can also, as we'll see later, use shortcut operators. So we can do a plus equals 5. And that means a equals a plus 5. And so now a will be 10. We can combine these with parentheses or with the standard order of operations. So we can do 2 times a plus b, and that's 2 times a and then b, right? So it's a is 10, b is 11, so that's 2 times a is 20 plus b plus 11, 31. And we can combine with parentheses 2 times a plus b minus 5. And so that's it about variables and operators for now.